In this video, we will learn about the Constituent Assembly in detail. Before starting the important point, we need to know about the background of the Constituent Assembly of India. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India following India's independence from the British government in 1947. Its members served as the nation's first parliament. Let's begin the important point. An idea for a Constituent Assembly was proposed in 1934 by M.N. Roy, a pioneer of the communist movement in India and an advocate of radical democracy in 1925. It became an official demand of the Indian National Congress in 1935. C. Rajagopalachari voiced the demand for a Constituent Assembly on 15th November 1939 based on the adult franchise and was accepted by the British in August 1940. On 8th of August 1940, a statement was made by the Viceroy Lord Linlithgow about the expansion of the Governor-General's Executive Council and the establishment of War Advisory Councils. This offer was known as the August Offer, allowing India to draft their own constitution. Under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946, elections were held for the first time for the Constitutional Assembly. The Constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly and it was implemented under the Cabinet Mission Plan on 16 May 1946. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by the Provincial Assemblies by a single transferable vote system of the proportional representations. The total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, of which 292 were representative of the provinces, 93 represented by the princely states, and 4 were from the Chief Commissioner provinces of Delhi, Ajmer, Merwar, Coorg and British Baluchistan. On 3rd June 1947, Lord Mountbatten, the last British Governor-General of India, announced his intention to scrap the Cabinet Mission Plan. This culminated on the India's Independence Act 1947 and separate nations of India and Pakistan. Only 299 members left after formation of the Pakistan. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on December 9, 1946 in Delhi. Its temporary president was Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. The second meeting was held on December 11, 1946. Its president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The objective of resolution was passed under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru on 3rd of December 1946. The draft of the Indian Constitution was presented in October 1947. President of the drafting committee was Bhimrao Ambedkar. The total time consumed to prepare the draft was 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The Constituent Assembly was the first parliament of independent India. The Indian Constitution was enacted on November 26, 1949 and put into force on January 26, 1950. The final document had 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules, but now there are total 12 schedules. On that day, the Constituent Assembly ceased to exist, transforming itself into Provincial Parliament of India until a new parliament was constituted in 1952. Architect of the Indian Constitution was Edwin Lutyens.